Hello dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Western Wardrobe. So how are you friends? I hope you will be fine and thank you watching my channel. So friends, today in this video I am sharing one of the most beautiful, stylish and gorgeous collection of popular leather mini skirt for girls and women, mostly plus size women. So guys, please subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends, relatives and give your feedback in the comment section. How was the collection and videos? All skirts are very comfortable, mostly worn by plus size women. So please share my videos, like it and comment section how was the collection and videos. So all these designs and style are introduced for yourself. Make it the part of your wardrobe. You will definitely like it and your outfit will perfectly match with the designs of outfits. So guys, goodbye dear friends. See you soon again with another amazing fashion and collection of beautiful leather mini skirt for plus size women.